Welcome back to NextGen Tools. In today's video, we're looking at something a little shocking: how AI is replacing 5 everyday apps you probably use right now. By the end, you might rethink the tools you rely on daily. Let's get into it. First up, note-taking apps like Evernote and Notion. For years, we've had to manually type, organize, and sort notes. But AI note-takers are changing everything. Tools like Otter AI or AI don't just record your notes. They summarize meetings, organize ideas automatically, and even remind you of key points. Imagine never having to search through messy notes again. Next, grammar and writing tools. You might be used to Grammarly fixing typos, but in 2025, AI writing assistants like ChatGPT, Jasper, and WriteSonic are doing so much more. They don't just correct grammar. They write entire blog posts, draft emails, brainstorm content ideas, and even match your personal tone. Basically, they're turning Grammarly into a small feature, not a full product. Third, presentation tools like PowerPoint or Google Slides. Normally, making a presentation can take hours, choosing layouts, images, and formatting. But now, AI slide generators like Tome and Gamma create polished presentations from just a single sentence prompt. You type your topic, and AI handles the design, text, and flow. It's like having a personal designer on demand. Number 4, photo and design editing. Tools like Photoshop or even Canva are being disrupted by AI-powered design tools. With Photo AI, Canva AI, or Adobe Firefly, you can generate art from text, remove unwanted objects instantly, and even design thumbnails with zero effort. What used to take hours of editing can now be done in seconds. And finally, the big one: search engines. For decades, Google has dominated how we find information. But in 2025, AI-driven search tools like Perplexity AI, U.com, and ChatGPT with browsing are giving direct, conversational answers. Instead of clicking through 10 different links, you can just ask and get the result instantly. This could be the biggest shift in how we use the internet since Google was created. So, those were 5 everyday apps that AI is already replacing in 2025. Which one shocked you the most? Personally, I think AI search is the biggest game changer. Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to NextGen Tools for more weekly updates on AI and tech. See you in the next video.